Well, good morning, everyone. And we're delighted that you're here today for this announcement of RVA Streets Alive. And we see that the hula hoops are working. I'm glad that I didn't get a prop like that this morning. But I'm extremely pleased to be able to announce RVA Streets Alive. I'm excited about it because it's another tool in our toolbox to make Richmond a healthier city, but not only to make it a healthier city, but to keep it a healthier city. This is in line with some of the initiatives that I've already started in the city of Richmond. We had our Healthy Richmond campaign kickoff not long ago with over 800 people at the Richmond Convention and Visitors Center, everybody doing activities that emphasize the need for us to stay healthy. Also, my Blue Ribbon Commission on Health that has health policy that has allowed us to see and to understand and to emphasize some of the disparities in the city of Richmond that we need to address. And today we're going to take it up another notch. We're going to take it to a new level with our partner sports backers and the Richmond City Health District as we inaugurate the RVA Streets Alive campaign, and that's going to take place on Saturday, June the 22nd, and we're expecting thousands of people down here. So we got to get some more hula hoops, young ladies. You don't have enough for the thousands of people that are going to come. They'll be doing activities, and not only activities, but there'll be educational events that will take place at that time. All of the great cities in America are getting on board with this. Cities like San Francisco and New York and Washington, D.C. The First Lady of the United States has her Get Moving, is it? Yes. Get Moving campaign. And so now Richmond is going to get on board with our Streets Alive campaign, opening up 2.5 miles of city streets to activity. And so we want to encourage all Richmonders to come out and be a part of this wonderful activity. So thank you very much for being here. And at this time, I'm going to turn it over to John Lugbill from Sports Backers. Let's give him a hand as he comes.
Well, thank you, Mayor Jones, and thank you all for coming this morning. We have we've been working in conjunction with the health department and with the city administration to really pull together this event, RVA Streets Alive, and there's a number of people here that are really central to that happening. Jake Helmbold, the bike and pedestrian coordinator from the city of Richmond, has been a driving force behind this. Keisha Smith with Health and Human Services has been really leading the effort since last summer when we did some initial work with the CDC. Alan Rothert's been helping us out with a lot of the connections around town. So a lot of people involved within the city administration. On the health district side, Danny Avula can't be here today, but Don Stern and the whole team at the health district has been totally involved with making this happen. This event, just to be clear on what it's going to be, is basically taking the health fair to the streets. The idea is to close down 2.5 miles of road, and you're right in the middle of where things are going to be closed. So there'll be a closed down section over the 14th Street Bridge, around on Canal Street, up through the parking lot, which I guess used to be a road, then up Bird Street, over the Manchester Bridge, down Commerce, and then back over the 14th Street Bridge. So, and people can walk, run, bike, they can do anything they want, physical activity oriented. It's going to be closed to motor vehicles during that time period between 10 and 3 o'clock on June 22nd. And along the way, we're going to have different health vendors set up, so different kinds of health screening, but equally important are different opportunities to be engaged in physical activity. So all different types of organizations throughout the community will be here and have an opportunity to display. And these types of events, in New York City, they have 250,000 people come out for these types of things. We're not anticipating 250,000 here in Richmond, but nonetheless, we think it'll be a very big crowd and a lot of people will be in attendance. So want to thank you all for being here, and we're very excited about this event on June 22nd. We're very fortunate to be, this event's almost entirely in Councilwoman Robertson's district, so we'll have her speak next. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and good morning. It's, I think it is almost all in the 6th District, which says a lot for the 6th District. It says a lot for Richmond. What a beautiful city we have. And to have an opportunity to have this event outside on the street and engaging the region, and especially Richmonders, and an opportunity to get out and have a lot of fun, but to also learn a lot about the value of good health. I want to thank the mayor and his administration for their leadership that they have taken with the city to push good quality living and health. When we are in the process right now looking at the budget and what it costs us, what additional cost it is to our employees as well as to the city to provide health care. But because of the fitness initiative and the health initiatives that the city has put in place, we're looking at, instead of expecting a 15% increase in the cost of health care to the city for our employees this year, of that being maybe reduced as low as 6-7% instead of 15%. That's a great accomplishment in 2 years of aggressive healthcare and fitness initiatives that the city has put in place. So on the 22nd, it's an opportunity to come out and have a great time, meet a lot of healthcare providers, sports backers. What would we do without them in the city of Richmond? They've gotten us out here in the streets in so many ways. So we're really excited about this. And as we enjoy this event, I want to encourage you to look around and look at this beautiful city that we have and all that has been developed in this city and how this place is really being transformed to be the real core and the magnet that draws our region together. So again, thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you on the 22nd of June.
Well, good morning. I'm Don Stern. I'm the Public Health Director for Richmond City. And some would ask, well, why are we even doing this? Well, I think you've heard a clear message. It's about promoting people's health. So let's get moving, Richmond. I'm excited as your Public Health Director about partnering with the Mayor's Healthy Richmond campaign and sports backers to present Street Alive event. It's a chance for all Richmonders to come together for a day of fun and to learn more about physical activity in Richmond, such as sports backers and Fit for Kids and the YMCA, and many other partners will be with us that day. This event also embodies the vision of the Mayor's Healthy Richmond campaign to transform the city of Richmond into a healthier community, empowering Richmonders with good information and opportunities to increase physical activity and healthy nutrition. It also further enhances our identity as a physically active community. Americans are suffering from preventable illnesses and death due to lifestyle disease that is epidemic amongst our children and adults. These are choices that we make, lifestyle decisions that we make about what we do with our bodies and what we put into our bodies. An alarming fact is that many children are obese and exhibiting accelerated onset of certain chronic diseases such as diabetes and asthma as a result of modern lifestyle habits that include eating too many high-fat calories and not getting enough exercise. So let's get moving, Richmond. We are Richmond Health District working together for a healthier Richmond. Thank you and have a great day. That's it.
Okay. All right. That's it.
Let's get back too far.
All right.